National alert. National alert. Regular programming had been suspended due to this national alert. Please stand by for an emergency alert system activation.
This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. The following message has been given to the attention of the United States government. The dangerous user on YouTube, Matthew Lowry, is deleting every single account on YouTube. This user named Matthew Lowry is extremely dangerous, and all users on YouTube are advised to do the following instructions. If you see Matthew Lowry committed on your video, block him and report him on YouTube. If you find Matthew Lowry's channel, report him on YouTube so he can be terminated forever. Stay tuned for more updates on these upcoming situations.